The FAA is the U.S. Aviation Authority that makes sure civil aircraft meet structural and safety standards before they fly passengers. They employ engineers, inspectors, test pilots, and safety experts to review designs, witness tests, and issue airworthiness certificates, a document that legally allows an aircraft to fly. Without this regulatory approval, no aircraft is allowed to carry passengers in the U.S. skies. In Europe, EASA harmonizes aircraft safety standards across all EU countries so that an aircraft certified in one European state is trusted in all others. EASA reviews design compliance, oversees structural testing, and issues the certification rules that manufacturers must meet, creating a shared safety framework across many nations. Similarly, every county will have a National Aviation Authority, which will oversee the certification and airworthiness regulations. Civil aircraft can only fly after governments and international groups agree the design and structure are safe. And that's why regulators like the FAA and EASA are essential for every plane you see in the sky.